like to make my home remedy. Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Grab you an onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut your onion into half, skin and all. Now let's head to the stove. Put your onions in a pot and bring it to a boil. Let it come up to a rapid boil and reduce to half. Leave it uncovered. Once you're at about half, go ahead and add in thyme leaves and let it cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. Then strain it into your jar. You can use red onions, yellow onions, white onions, any onions you want. Make sure before you pour your hot onion tea into your glass jar, you temper it. Run it under hot water and heat it up first to make sure it doesn't shatter. Drink this as a tea, just a cup here and a cup there. If someone gets the sniffles or a cough,